Armor has decided to enter the additive manufacturing technology because Armor is an expert of printing technology since 100 years. We are currently the leader in the thermal transfer technology, and we want to apply our industrial leadership in this new, very promising field of growing technology for printing. We decided to give to this 3D activity a strong brand name, Kimya. Kimya is linked with chemistry, is linked with creativity, is linked with custom manufacturing. Our strategy is to serve the industrial companies that want to delegate to us the manufacturing of final parts of production of specific products. For that, we work in different fields. First of all, we conceive the materials for the 3D manufacturing. We can organize that through R&D, and this is a Kimya lab and the Kimya materials. So we want to have the widest offer of materials. We also want to be able to manufacture these products on demand, specific products, very added value products. And for that, we created Kimya Factory. The idea of Kimya Factory is to embed additive into manufacturing for our customers. So we want to be the leading, the preferred partner of the industrial companies throughout the world. To fulfill this strategy, we aim to build partnership with the large players in their field. On one side, the chemical companies who supply the raw material for the 3D industry, and on the other side, all the different printer manufacturers in the world. Our aim as Armor with Kimya brand is to be the link between all of them for our customers.